What are the chances in the vast universe of residing on a planet where its sun and its moon seem to be of equal size?
Crap. Do you see the moon? I kinda lost it.
Well, it's kind of...
So it's a fail.
That's fine. I'm going to come back in a few years and do it again.
We came here with a very specific goal: capturing the moonset over the salar during the blue hour. To achieve this, we need a little bit of light from the sun just before it rises above the horizon. This alignment, paired with the right season, happens only once or twice a year. But most days are covered with clouds, making this barely impossible to achieve. And we failed. We failed.
Can you believe it?
The last time we came, it was in 2018.
Yeah, that's exactly 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Just as impressive as it was. So we have a beautiful 360 view of everything around us.
So it's our fourth time here, and well, we knew we wanted to come back for sure because we feel like I want to say improved, but I don't know, like the technique changed. We have so much more experience, life experience, and like creative experience. So I was looking for a new toque. I wanted it to be white, but so my criterias were: I want something white, I want something elegant, and that I can wear in any circumstances. And that's what we came up with.
End of story, we can go back home.
It doesn't attract attention. You can just, just as usual, I can wear it anywhere, in any circumstances, business or whatever.
Okay, going back to business. 5 years, it's such a long time. And if you remember, like last time, we were not selling tubes, okay? And it's not about selling things. I have no interest about selling anything. But the fact that we started to sell tubes a few months, I think 6 months after we came here in February and March 2018, we started to get better at making them. So they were like more solid and brighter. So 5 years of experience making tubes better for everyone makes better tubes for us. And this is one of the things that I wanted to explore with on this trip here. So I'll have the holographic tubes that we didn't have at all back then. I think we were still working with T12 big tubes. Flashlights were not the same, cameras were not the same. Everything is different, except Kim.
Except for my dress.
But you have the same dress.
I have the same dress. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
It's fine. I love your dresses. So I know, like it's evident that we're going to make our best images ever with this technique. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. That reflection is just perfect.
We decided to go for, I think we have 20 nights or 19 nights.
As opposed to between 4
and 12 maybe max. So, and we organized it in order to have like a little bit of everything. So we wanted to have some opportunities to shoot with the Milky Way if the sky is clear, obviously, and some opportunities to shoot with the moon, with the full moon. So we'll go from actually tonight or tomorrow, I'm not sure. It's the new moon, so no moon at all. And then by the end of the trip, it's going to be like full moon, just like last time when we tried to do the giant moonset. Souvenirs.
Do you think we're gonna try that again?
I think it depends on the conditions. We haven't talked about it. We'll see. What do you think?
Yeah,
We're here.
Let's try
We're
it.
here, so I would say yes, but obviously without expectations because we know it's hard to get a clear sky here.
And here we are again, in the salt flats of Uyuni, our favorite place on Earth. Our primary goal is to craft our most exceptional light painting images to date. Capturing the giant moonset is not a priority. We know the date, we are going to attempt to get it, but we don't think we're ever going to be successful with this. And it's okay. We're here for a long exposure, and we've managed to capture images that have exceeded all expectations for us. Night after night, the mesmerizing displays of cloud formations have been almost too incredible to believe. Despite enduring freezing temperatures like never before, the experience has been incredibly rewarding. These are some of the light painting pictures we created during these 19 nights on this giant mirror.
We'll get back to this in another video, but there's something so special about being in the Andes Mountains. It's a harsh climate where lies the most beautiful landscapes in the world.
It's another cold morning where we set the alarm clock at 2 a.m. That's our 6th in a row now. And that's on top of our long nights fighting with the wind at sub-zero temperatures. We're at the end of this trip now, and today is the special moonset morning. That is, the one day where moon sets during the blue hour. Our minds were not super sharp due to the lack of sleep and a bit of altitude sickness. Our perception of time was a bit off, and it's on autopilot that we miraculously captured that very specific image we were looking for. Wow, it's only a few hours later that we realized what happened. We did it! But wait, there's more, right? There's always something more. 12 hours later, we were back in the salt flats, aiming to create the same picture with the sunset this time. It is possible to match the alignment as the moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, yet 400 times closer. So they both appear to be the same size from our perspective. Where else in the universe can you find something like this? This can't be true. That's the story of how we came up with this diptych art piece, The Cosmic Coincidence. That's going to live in our hearts forever as one of the most special moments we've experienced in our artistic journey.
Kim, what is that? What is that? What is that? What happened?
I ordered ice cream, vanilla ice cream. This is not vanilla. This is not vanilla. This is not vanilla.